Hey everybody, doing an update on some of the changes that I've made. So these forward facing mag pouches, I went to turn them around, and the reason why they were facing the wrong way is whenever I ordered this setup, I was going to be drawing them with my left hand. So I ordered the left-handed ones. I should have ordered the right-handed ones so that they would come out this way. I don't really have a problem coming that way or coming out front ways, but I'm going to get the ones to see if that works better. I've also switched everything up to the uh, Blade Tech quick release. So here's down on the drop leg. Then if I want to switch it, I have the Temu aluminum drop leg thing and the gotta take the safety off. So here's this one. Yeah, I'm probably going to have to attach the thigh strap because see, when I go to draw, it's wanting to kick out this way. But I have a couple different options, and I installed the aluminum piece onto the Blackhawk belt clip so I could take it off and on. I'm not going to run it like this with both the thigh rig and this on. I'm just wearing it like this to show you some of the changes. And that's pretty much the status of the belt holster quick release situation mag pouches right now. Hope that helps.